Today we are going to discuss about communicative planning. Communicative planning is an approach to urban planning that gathers stakeholders and participants and engage them in a process to make planning decisions, planning interventions together so that the all stakeholders are involved in the decision making. It is also called collaborative planning. So it is better to call it collaborative planning because we have to collaborate with different stakeholders. This theory of the planning started after 1970s. Collaborative planning was based on the several key understandings like notion that communication and reasoning comes in diverse form. Knowledge is socially structured and people's diverse interests and preferences are formed out of their social context. Collaborative planning theory acknowledges that planners' own actions, words, experiences, and communication styles have an effect on the planning process. Collaborative planning theory advances the idea that planning happens in everyday practice and social relations, and this happens due to the consensus building for any organized action. So, planning is a group decision making process. Judith Innes is credited with coining the term communicative planning, that is also known as collaborative planning, in her article Planning Theories Emerging Paradigm, Communicative Action and Interactive Practices. Judith Innes tries to bridge the gap between planning theories and planning in practice and offers consensus building as a tool for urban planners to create collaborative and engaging planning environment that allows different stakeholders to participate in the planning process. In collaborative or communicative planning process, planning practitioners act as a facilitator. Planning process, full range of stakeholders should be engaged in the decision making process. In particular, all of the stakeholders should be involved in negotiating both the problem's definition and the solution together. Solutions to conflicts among stakeholders may be reframed as win-win as opposed to zero-sum mindset, which occurs when stakeholders are bargaining on the basis of their own fixed interest. Consensus building is an important part of the collective decision making process. As information is discussed and validated within the group of the stakeholder, resulting in information which holds more significance to the group. To make collaborative planning more successful, consensus building efforts should be done so that power is distributed among different stakeholders so that they can operate in a level playing ground. Openness interests are also crucial for building consensus. The objective, underlying assumptions, and positions of these stakeholders should be considered along with the uncertainties about future conditions such as population growth and decisions which are linked to other decisions.